name is TUSHAR Agarwal, born and brought up in Hyderabad. I have completed my computer science and engineering B.TECH from St. Peter's Engineering College. I joined Jspiders in the month of May 2026 by taking the course of Java Full Stack Development. My trainers here were for Java I had Raghavendra sir, for SQL I had Rajat sir and Harsha sir. Trainers here are just more than faculty, they are almost as a friend tools. No matter how many peers I face, no matter how many doubts I have on myself, trainers made sure that I feel comfortable enough and boost my confidence. Jspiders also provide us classes on grooming classes, group discussion, presentation skills, which help me build my confidence for the interviews, and grooming sessions help me be prepared for the interviews before the interview date arrives. Thank you, Jspiders. Punjagutta.